like there's a point to eating the lollipop. I wouldn't eat this normally.
I don't know why we got 3 lollies, but we did.
It's so like blue and sunny when we left, and the closer we're getting to the city, the more grey it's getting.
That's right, it's the blue over there, but that's not where we're going. No. Yeah. Like back in the
Why did we both just Cloud goals. Julian vlogs.
It's on my bad side. This whole trip is gonna be on my bad side.
Last kisses.
I'm running away from you guys. I'm moving, but none of you guys are.
Pause the song. We don't want it to be
Well, let's do that when we get back.
They're vegetarian burgers. Hungry Jack.
It's sort of the travelling pants, but with glasses.
They're so big on my face though.
Still works. They feel huge.
I can't see. No, they look alright.
Oh, they're sitting everywhere! Which is where the whales are. It's gone so much darker. It feels like it's nighttime.
Here we're Willoughby Road, turning right.
Let's go, girls. It's very rainy, but filming bits here and there.
So pretty.
So pretty.
We've got water droplet on the lens. Is this recording?
Probably.
Yeah, it is. Hey girl.
Love it. What a bad sound that is.
Alright.
It feels so weird filming because I know it's just a photo, like a photo. Sup bitches. Green. And then blue. And yellow.
Zoom right in.
Oh, it's good. I'm a survivor. Holy shit. It's like blue.
That's so cool.
I can't get over this. It's so beautiful. God, it's beautiful. I so want there to be snakes. Love snakes. Yeah. Come out of the dog, guys.
I got a snake in my pants.
Snake and babu.
Vlog at the same time.
Wait.
Yes! We're going to the top of the mountain! Wow. That's so brilliant.
What are you looking for?
What just happened? Jody's too short for the view. Love it.
There.
Souvenirs.
Just find the
We'll figure
hotel
the tour to
first.
get out.
There's a little reception sign.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yay! Hey, what's up, you guys? We're just at hotel room number 5. That motherfucker's like, pick up key.
Do a room tour, guys. Should we go this? Oh. You with the Leandro? Oh. Yeah, the double bed for the romantic couple.
Oh, hey!
Oh, hey. Oh, hey.
For your protection, because we're going to get an STD. Bath is so tiny and cute.
What do you do in that? I feel like that's just for your feet.
Well, usually bath and wash yourself.
Yeah, that's cute. Oh.
Like 45 minutes.
Thank you for being here today.
Oh, yes. Oh, this is so cute. There'll be a view out there somewhere. He got to the other apartment. Picked up our dinner. So Australian. Jodie got her own tomato sauce.
I'm safe.
Okay.
You had to drink 10 though.
That shit great.
On Central Cafe Deli.
Oh, they don't have eggs, Benny. I'm not going.
Looking for some brunch. Oh, there's some pretty places. Hello. Hello. Wow. Oh wow.
Would you look at the scenery?
Oh wow.
It's gonna be
Oh, actually, no. That's you.
Yeah. This one is the Bush James.
Yeah.
Sauce. Thank you. Oh, yes.
Where are we going in?
Exit Falls,
Exon Falls.
I
I just
believe.
wanted us to say that for the
Exit Falls!
We're going to Exon Falls. Is that the one that Steve suggested, or is that
No,
the other
that's
one?
Phantom Falls.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, earlier. But they didn't copy it. They were maybe not meant to. Like, they just decided. I can't believe how pretty this is.
Don't take drugs, kids.
So beautiful. God, look how pretty this area is. Pretty. Look at the rainforest.
Oh, wow, Sheridan, look at this. Whoa, it's so fancy.
Is it in 4K?
Yeah.
I told you it's great. Waterfalls, look out.
Sheridan, walk across the lawn.
We dare you.
Do it for the vlog.
I'll do it.
For how much money?
I'd like
Do it.
open reminds me of Dirty
Do it for the
Dancing.
Oh, look how cool it looks. Emma loves her candids. I can't help it.
It's not Canon when I pose.
Oh my god, great angle. Look at that, Jodie. Angles.
So beautiful.
Can you see this? Oh, shit.
So beautiful. Raven! Use all my savings to edit this. Look at this. Need to be really
Filming a butt.
It's incredible.
Hello.
You made it!
We're all here. Georgia, come on.
You're all in the video, it looks so cool. Look how beautiful the colours are. Just can't handle this. Oh my god. Wow.
That looks like scales.
Oh yeah, doesn't look natural.
Yay! She did it!
Yeah! I can't get over this. We are abandoned.
We have to survive in the wilderness now.
I don't think it would last very long. I've been sort of shoving my foot in holes.
I'm just gonna pose like this.
I love that I wore white. That was like really smart. I love Jodie. That's so cool. Doing this is scary. But I think it's alright. It's very grippy. Can't get over this. You guys are gonna love this vlog.
May as well drive up. Yeah, there's a drive car at the top. Just play it when you're ready. Got a door that lets us inside, please. Probably have to pay.
You know. How unexpected. Can't work out how big that is. It's like a 10-story building. Near the lighthouse now,
Marine Sanctuary.
Right. Veggie Patch Pocket. Yes, fam.
Behind the scenes of the time lapse early.
On camera. Look at the colours.
You know way I feel. Man, I feel like a woman.
You'd hope so.
Nice. In brackets. You'd hope so.